Okay, let's talk about Australia. If Earth is a big old flat pie and the equator is a circle with a 24,900 mile circumference, then everything south of the equator should be on a larger circumference. Flat earthers even agree to this. And this poses a problem for the flat Earth. Flat Earth distances do not align with reality. As you can see, according to the flat Earth map, Australia would have to be about 5,585 miles across, which is demonstrably wrong. You see, the distance from Atlanta, Georgia to Los Angeles, California, which are both on about the same latitude, is about 2,000 miles. A flight from Atlanta to LA takes about 4 hours and 40 minutes, which means the airplane flies at about 430 miles per hour. Below the equator, in Australia, Sydney and Perth are also on about the same latitude, and the distance between both cities is also about 2,000 miles. A flight between these two cities also takes about 4 hours and 40 minutes, which means the airplane flies at about the same 430 miles per hour. Based on flight times, we know that the measurements are correct, but we can use a control and take a north-south flight in Australia. We can do so because generally flat earthers agree that the North Pole to South Pole distance is about 12,500 miles. Cairns and Melbourne are about on the same longitude and about 1,440 miles apart. A flight between these cities takes about 3 hours and 20 minutes, which means the airplane again flies at about 430 miles per hour. With flat earthers agreeing that the North Pole to South Pole distance is about 12,500 miles, the distance from Cairns to Melbourne is correct. This also means that the distance from Sydney to Perth is correct. If Earth is flat, then the distance and flight time between Sydney and Perth has to be a lot longer. It would have to be about 11 hours and 40 minutes. Since it's only 4 hours and 40 minutes, Earth cannot be flat. Perth and Sydney are about 36 degrees in longitude apart. With a distance of 2,047 miles between them, the circumference of Earth at 32 degrees latitude should be about 20,470 miles. That is a lot less than the circumference of the equator and 30,000 miles shorter than it should be on a flat Earth. Therefore, Earth cannot be flat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and join me next time for the fifth argument.